I can't believe it's February. January really flew by, didn't it?
It sure did.
February may be my favorite month.
Why?
Well, first of all, it's the shortest month of the year. There's always less than 30 days in February. Usually, there are only 28 days. Except for leap years, which only happen once every 4 years. February 2nd is Groundhog Day. So we will find out whether winter will last 6 more weeks or finish early. That is awesome, because we can start thinking about spring. Everyone is looking forward to sunshine, flowers, and warm weather. And February 14th is Valentine's Day. It's a happy day. Everyone eats chocolate, women get flowers, people eat delicious food, and it's really romantic.
Interesting. I never thought about it that way. I guess it's a pretty good month. But you forgot one very important thing. Perhaps the most important.
Really? What did I forget?
It's my birthday this month. My birthday is February 17th.
Oh, that's right. You are an Aquarius, right?
Yes, that's right. I'm shy, quiet, and I'm a deep thinker.
Shy and quiet? That's what an Aquarius is supposed to be? Well, maybe that doesn't describe you so well.